Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the flash warning filter trend on Instagram. So I'll be using these two filter. Both the filter are by the same creator. You can visit her profile to get this effects, and Jiva is the creator of this effect. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your Instagram camera trace. She's having awesome filters. Okay, so check in our filter gallery, and these are the two filters that we are going to use: flash warning, flash warning. Okay, tap on it. You will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray, and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, so let's try them. Okay, so this is the effect. Select the effect. Okay, you can see the shadows here. Okay, this will work like this. You have to stay here. The other shadow will come from here. Okay, let's press and hold the camera button. Wait for it. Okay, that was it, the first one. This is the second one. Okay, as you can see, this is your shadow. Wait for it. Okay, and that was it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this flash warning trend on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.